beautiful day at the beach, no? At the beach,
It
no?
is. Oh my God, this is so
Relax.
relaxing.
Ja, men jag är inte morskat, no?
Yeah, tomorrow's supposed to be like going in the water day.
Go in the 80s.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Hey girl,
It's
how are
blocked.
you?
It's blocked for you already.
Yes, we're excited you guys are coming.
Já viste a nossa vida? Look, check this out. A vida da flor, huh?
Bella vida, no.
Alright, it's done.
Stay warm.
Alright, guys.
Restaurants. Look, all the tables outside. So this is St. Pete's. St. Pete's.
The people outside.
There's people in there.
Balcony.
There is?
Yeah, over here. Look up. Way up there. See it?
No.
Bring You're going the wrong. It's right. No, it's on this side.
Já foram lá pra dentro.
No, they're still there.
They're still there? Do you see them? So go. Oh, we gotta go. So we're gonna eat here. Look at this. Thank you. I didn't bring my jacket, so I don't.
You said anything to your brother?
Okay.
Bison bacon. Bison bacon. Okay.
We're looking over the menu. I think it's all about Ford. It's all about cars. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Come to you, Carl.
Cheers. Cheers. Too much. Wings. We got double chicken wings. It's got the Ford stamp on it. This looks good. Oh, le bon? That looks good.
The black and say, be careful, the plate's extremely hot. I don't want to.
Okay.
I don't want to have to touch it.
That's fine.
Roaster over here for you, sir.
That
Anything
looks
else I can
good.
get for you guys at the moment? We got.
Hey, that looks good in there. See?
Pretty cool. Look at that. Sorry, kegs. They took kegs into the tour. That's pretty cool. Hey, girls, see? We are chilling for drinks. See, that's what I was talking about.
Yes.
You know this place.
See GPS?
How many more silverware do we need? Just one or two?
Two, please. Thank you.
All right, cheers. All right, guys.
Cheers. Cheers.
How did it drink? Oh, right there. Here we go. All right, so cheers.
Have a great day.
Yes.
A little warm, be careful.
Okay. Looks good. And
Anyone ready for
Hey, Roy. O sport é rabado, buddy, que ele tá dizendo. Sim. That's a big fan right there of sporting. All right, buddy, enjoy it.
It's that time of year to visit the Azorean Restaurant and Bar in Gloucester. For 20 years, the Braga family has shared recipes and wines from their native Portugal to become one of the North Shore's most beloved restaurants. You'll feel right at home in the Azorean's cozy, authentic atmosphere. Enjoy traditional and original dishes like cataplanas and tapas, as well as the freshest seafood from America's oldest seaport. Sip from a long list of seasonal cocktails and cordials that'll keep you warm all winter long. From soups and sandwiches to pizzas and decadent desserts, the Azorean menu has something for everyone, with specials every day and night. Reserve the private function room for any holiday or special occasion. Gather with the whole family or sit at the bar to watch the big game. And before you leave, do a little grocery shopping at the Mercearia Portuguesa or buy a gift card for that special someone. Who's in the mood for Portuguese food? The Azorean, 133 Washington Street, Gloucester.
O Benjamin já não pôde parar quieto. He's like, I gotta go do something. Instead of cleaning our yard, he's cleaning the neighbors. Estás a ver? E está pondo o esterco para o nosso yard. He can't hear me. I'm saying instead of you cleaning our yard, estás a limpando o yard do vizinho. Yeah. Salsa. Ah. Oh. Oh yeah, I see it. Uh-huh. It does. Oh, he has a shed. Shut up. There you go. Our landscaper got hurt, so he hasn't been by. But well, there's not much to clean anyway. So I mean to cut. So maybe that's why he hasn't been by. But beautiful day in Florida. Let's see what Benjamin is doing. Wow, the neighbor's gonna be super happy. The neighbor's gonna be super happy. The neighbor's gonna be super happy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Actually clean now.
Yeah.
It's gonna be done every 2 years.
Uh-huh. That's it.
Look at that.
Yeah. Still at it. Still at it. Wow, cleaned up the whole thing. Oh, snap. Ooh, getting hit by rocks. 100. Oh, I thought it said 100 and something miles. Oh, there it goes. 196.
You don't even know where it is.
I don't.
I'm gonna tell you.
But I know it's 196 miles away. And we get there at 1:08 and it's 5 o'clock in the morning.
9 hours drive.
9 hours. Bella.
We'll stop.
There you go. I thought the other one was a lot of miles. This one's 263.
That's not bad.
No, it's just road. It's just, there's not a lot of traffic. It's been nice and easy. We've been 3.5 hours on the road. So that's been
Driving
good.
in the boonies, no.
Yeah, there's like nothing here. We were looking at land and houses. Houses are, you know, not cheap. I thought it would be like cheap because it's out in the boonies, but it's not. But land is cheap here. What did I say? 150 acres for 100,000 or 100, something like that. So if anybody's interested in land, there you go. But for that, I don't know what, because
Cut trees.
you're out in a boonies. Yeah, just look at trees, and it's all wet land. I don't know if you can see, but it's wet land. Over here is actually pretty dry. The other side was wet. So when we see something exciting, we'll let you guys know. That was cute then. We're in Alabama. Florida that we went through was mostly just land. Like a lot of land. I was trying to look for houses, but not a lot of houses, more land than anything. Hasn't been developed yet. That looks like a cute town over there. Okay, missed the sign again, but this is Mississippi. So I definitely don't know where I'm going. I didn't even know that. Alabama, then it came Mississippi. I know. I learned it in school, but I don't remember it now. I'm lost. Oh, there it is. Welcome to Mississippi. There you go. And we're just driving by. Are we staying in Mississippi?
How you gonna tell me not?
Oh, Alabama, there was nothing else to record.
The only clue I give you is this.
Yeah, we get
you
there.
arrived too. And it was because of the fix on the road.
Yeah, we got traffic for 1 hour because of road work. Besides that, it's been smooth sailing right through. I told Benjamin I could do this road trip. I could drive this.
This one you could.
I could.
Nice and easy.
Exactly.
You act like you don't know how to drive.
I do, but I don't like high traffic. So just in case you guys never came to Mississippi, I've never come to Mississippi, have I? When we did the road trip, I don't think we went through Mississippi.
I think we touched there.
We
up
think?
north, yeah.
Okay. So I did.
Because we went from Texas and we drove up.
Oh,
We
okay.
hit Louisiana and Mississippi.
Okay. So if you guys go in the back of videos of the road trip, if you go under the playlist, it says road trip. You can see where we went on the road trip. It was really nice. Really liked that. So here we go. Benjamin says his house is over there. Are we still in Mississippi? Are we still in Mississippi? This is Mississippi. I was seeing the houses where Benjamin saw the ones next to the water. They were super thin. Like they're tall, but they were thin. Thinner than normal. So I don't know if it's the thing here. Beautiful. Beautiful day. My phone keeps trying to focus on things.
You're seeing all the signs.
Are we gonna stay here?
I said,
Well, it says Orleans.
Another 15
So yeah, so we're staying here.
Close to
Unless New Orleans is a small place, just drive through. So we are staying in Orleans. They're having something here. Feast already. Something, we got traffic. So I said to Benjamin, this looks like New Bedford.
Here we go, New Orleans, get it to party. Parece corno for la Brazil. It's only a Tuesday.
Very colorful houses, Benjamin was saying, which is true.
I'm afraid of colors now.
No. This reminds me of New Bedford. I don't know why. Not as New Bedford is not colorful like this, but I don't know, the houses, the streets reminds me of New Bedford. I like the verandas. I think those are so neat. Traffic jam again, it's saying over there. I guess they're gonna have a parade or something. They're gonna have alguma coisa aqui.